Ford just rolled out updates to the 2026 Bronco that prove they're listening to exactly what off-road enthusiasts have been asking for. While some automakers are watering down their legendary SUVs with compromises, Ford's doubling down on what made the Bronco a phenomenon: genuine capability mixed with smart refinements that solve real problems. From a special 60th anniversary edition loaded with heritage and hardware to suspension improvements that finally tame highway manners without sacrificing trail prowess, these changes address the biggest complaints owners had while keeping everything that made the Bronco special in the first place. Number 6. Endless configuration options. Here's a frustration many SUV buyers face. You walk into a dealership and you're forced to choose between 3 cookie-cutter packages that don't quite match what you actually need. Maybe you want off-road capability but don't care about leather seats, or perhaps you need a manual transmission but also want premium tech features. Most manufacturers make you compromise. The Bronco takes a completely different approach. The sheer number of ways you can configure this vehicle borders on overwhelming, but that's precisely the point. Start with the fundamental choice: 2 doors or 4. That decision alone dramatically changes the vehicle's character. The 2-door variant measures a manageable 174 inches in length, perfect for tight parking spots and narrow trails. Meanwhile, the 4-door stretches to nearly 190 inches, providing significantly more rear legroom and cargo space for families or those hauling gear. From there, the options multiply rapidly. 7 primary trim levels span from the utilitarian base model to the extreme Raptor, each targeting distinctly different buyers. Ever felt torn between wanting a fuel-efficient daily driver and needing genuine towing power? The Bronco's engine lineup addresses exactly this dilemma. The standard turbocharged 2.3-liter 4-cylinder produces 300 horsepower on premium fuel, while the twin-turbocharged 2.7-liter V6 cranks out 330 horsepower and a substantial 415 pound-feet of torque. Manual transmission enthusiasts can pair the 4-cylinder with a 7-speed stick, making the Bronco one of the last SUVs offering this engaging driving experience. Wheel and tire packages represent another crucial decision point. Serious off-roaders can opt for massive 35-inch Goodyear Territory all-terrains mounted on beadlock-capable wheels. The Sasquatch package bundles those aggressive tires with electronic locking differentials, a disconnecting sway bar, and upgraded suspension components that dramatically enhance trail capability. Factor in roof configurations, accent packages, and technology bundles, and you're looking at hundreds of possible combinations tailored to your specific priorities. But with all these configuration options available, there's one variant for 2026 that stands above the rest as the ultimate celebration of everything this SUV represents. Number 5. 60th Anniversary Edition. For 2026, Ford's celebrating 6 decades of Bronco heritage with a special edition that captures the spirit of the original while incorporating modern capability. Built on the Outer Banks platform, this commemorative model comes standard with the Sasquatch package, immediately establishing its off-road credentials. That means you're getting those coveted 35-inch tires, locking front and rear differentials, and the suspension upgrades that transform the Bronco from merely capable to genuinely impressive in challenging terrain. The exterior treatment grabs attention immediately. Warm alloy finishes on the grille and other trim pieces create a distinctive appearance that sets this edition apart from regular Broncos. Contrasting bodyside graphics pay homage to vintage Bronco styling, while unique 60 badging on the fenders makes the anniversary connection crystal clear. The 17-inch gravity gray wheels with vermilion red center caps provide a striking visual contrast that's simultaneously retro and contemporary. You know that problem where lifted SUVs force shorter passengers or older family members to practically climb aboard? The 60th Anniversary Edition includes running boards as standard equipment, eliminating that awkward scramble. Ebony leather covers the seat outers and bolsters, while Alpine leather inserts and embossed 60th logos on the seatbacks add premium touches. The armrests feature marine-grade Alpine vinyl, chosen specifically for its durability when exposed to the elements during doorless, topless adventures. What makes this package particularly appealing is that Ford isn't forcing buyers to sacrifice capability for commemorative styling. Starting around $50,000, it positions itself as an attainable way to own something special without venturing into Raptor pricing territory. And speaking of capability, all those premium features and heritage styling mean nothing if the Bronco can't actually handle the terrain it was designed for. Number 4. Excellent off-road performance. Strip away the styling and configuration options and you'll find the Bronco's fundamental strength remains its ability to venture far beyond pavement. The foundation starts with body-on-frame construction. While unibody designs dominate modern SUVs, the Bronco retains traditional truck architecture that provides superior strength and durability in punishing conditions. Ground clearance reaches 11.6 inches in standard configuration, increasing even further with the Sasquatch package. Approach angles measure up to 43.2 degrees, allowing you to climb over obstacles that would scrape the bumpers off lesser vehicles. The disconnecting front sway bar allows increased suspension articulation for maintaining tire contact on extremely uneven terrain. Disconnect it when the trail gets technical, and suddenly you have 13 inches of suspension travel that keeps all 4 tires planted even on wildly irregular surfaces. GOAT modes automatically adjust throttle response, transmission shift points, and traction control settings for specific conditions. Electronic locking differentials available on upper trims ensure power reaches whichever wheels have traction. The front locker proves invaluable when climbing steep, loose surfaces where weight shifts off the front axle. Of course, exceptional off-road hardware doesn't count for much if driving the Bronco on regular roads feels like punishment, which brings us to another crucial improvement. Number 3. Improved ride quality. Anyone who's driven a serious off-road vehicle on the highway knows the compromise. Exceptional trail capability traditionally came packaged with bone-jarring ride quality, wandering steering, and wind noise that forces you to shout at passengers. For 2026, Ford continues refining the balance between trail competence and daily drivability. The independent front suspension represents a fundamental advantage over vehicles using solid front axles. Each front wheel reacts independently to road imperfections, absorbing bumps and expansion joints without telegraphing harshness through the steering wheel. This design also provides more precise steering response compared to solid axle configurations, making highway driving significantly less fatiguing. Compared to its primary competitor, the Bronco requires noticeably fewer steering corrections during highway cruising. The suspension geometry keeps the vehicle tracking straight without the constant attention demanded by more rudimentary designs. New A-pillar grab handles now come standard across the lineup for 2026, addressing feedback from owners who wanted easier ingress and egress. The improved ride quality doesn't come from softening the suspension to the point of uselessness off-road. Rather, Ford's engineers have developed more sophisticated damping that reads the terrain and adjusts accordingly. When sensors detect rapid compression from off-road impacts, damping forces increase instantly to control wheel motion and prevent harsh bottoming. But if the standard Bronco's impressive balance between on-road comfort and off-road capability still isn't enough, Ford offers something far more extreme. Number 2. Raptor. For those who find the regular Bronco's capabilities insufficient, Ford offers the Raptor variant that represents the pinnacle of factory-built off-road performance. Under the hood sits a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 generating 418 horsepower. 0 to 60 acceleration takes just 5.6 seconds, making this easily the quickest Bronco in the stable. The wide-body treatment adds nearly 10 inches of total width, accommodating massive 37-inch BF Goodrich all-terrain tires as standard equipment. Here's where the Raptor truly separates itself from standard Broncos. Fox Racing semi-active dampers continuously adjust compression and rebound forces based on terrain and driving speed. The electronically controlled valving adjusts damping rates in milliseconds, far faster than any mechanical system could manage. Heavy-duty skid plates protect vital components from the kind of rock strikes and trail debris that come with serious off-roading. Inside, the Raptor receives unique trim materials and deeply bolstered seats that keep occupants planted during high-speed cornering on loose surfaces. The gauge cluster displays specialized information like pitch and roll angles, differential status, and suspension travel. Pricing starts around $82,000, positioning the Bronco Raptor as a serious investment. For that money, you're getting arguably one of the most capable production off-road SUVs ever built. One that balances extreme capability with surprising everyday usability. Now, with all this capability and these special editions, you might expect Ford to jack up prices significantly for 2026. Number 1. Price. Perhaps the most genius aspect of the 2026 Bronco is that Ford hasn't used the anniversary year as an excuse to jack up prices across the board. Base two-door models start around $42,500, providing an entry point that's attainable for buyers who want genuine off-road capability without luxury pricing. Mid-range trims like the Big Bend and Black Diamond deliver serious off-road equipment without requiring you to spring for top-tier models. Prices in the mid-$40,000 range get you locking differentials, upgraded suspension, and aggressive tires. Hardware that costs significantly more as aftermarket additions. What makes these prices particularly appealing is that the Bronco's strong resale value means total ownership costs remain reasonable. 5-year depreciation projections suggest these SUVs will retain 50 to 60% of their original value, far better than most vehicles in this segment. The The 2026 Bronco proves Ford understands what made this SUV a cultural phenomenon in the first place. Endless configuration options mean you're building exactly the vehicle you need, not settling for what's on the lot. The 60th Anniversary Edition delivers genuine capability wrapped in heritage styling at a price that doesn't feel exploitative. Refined suspension finally makes daily driving less punishing without sacrificing the trail performance that matters most. Whether you're after a weekend warrior, a commemorative classic, or an extreme off-road weapon, the 2026 Bronco lineup has exactly what you need, and that's the genius behind these changes. The Jeep Wrangler, Bronco's key rival, is also bringing important updates for the next year. If you want to find out more about the most important differences between the old and the 2026 model, make sure to check out our next video. From updated hybrid system to resurrected V8, the Wrangler covers every powertrain preference.